Hello beauties, we've got a bit of a haul today. It's only one thing, but it's hair related, so I thought I would put it on this channel rather than my makeup tutorials with Andy. Thank you again to the people that have subscribed already. I really do appreciate it, and very, very soon, hopefully in the live, we'll be able to go through all that. Most of it's hair care. I might do hair care and body care in one. Not 100% sure yet. Normally I would do the body care and the makeup tutorials with Andy, so I'm not too sure what I'm going to do there. Let me know if you want to see hair care and body care on this channel. I'm more than happily to do that going forward, because obviously the other channel is just for makeup, so just let me know what you want me to do. Would you prefer to see the skincare in with the makeup, or would you prefer to see the skincare in with the hair care? Anyway, so Evie delivered this yesterday. It came early, so I ordered this on Saturday or Sunday and it came on Tuesday. So let's get into the box and then I'll show you what the box looks like. It's only got one thing in it. So it says, say hello to Happy Curls, made by people with curls for all curl types. And then it says, we hope you love your Only Curl products. If you need help with your order, please find us at onlycurls.com or email us at hello@onlycurls.com. That to me sounds like they've got great customer service. I don't feel like I'll need help on the product that I've ordered, but I've wanted this product for a while. And then you get a little card like this. I like that it's so personalised, like it says, hey Andrea. And yeah, it's only someone kind of printing it out, but it makes you feel special that it is so personalised. It says, welcome to the world of Only Curls. Let's get curly. And it's got some of the products that they sell here. I do want to get some of their products from Only Curls, but I just want to wait until I've used the products that I've got up. There's a box full of stuff with Only Curls products, but it's like £40, and that's a lot of money. But if it works, right? And then here, I'll read this to you. I founded Only Curls in 2016 with a simple goal to get more people to embrace their natural curls. I want to say in 2016, I was heavily straightening my hair. It's only recently that I've gone back to this. And obviously I've been to the hairdresser, got the haircut, and it's looking more healthy than it ever has. Fed up with the limited product offering available in the UK, I decided to create my own range of products. Ones that were lightweight, hydrating and full of the rich ingredients to help define my frizzy locks. It turned out I wasn't the only one looking for the perfect hair products. Thousands of curly people have joined our community and discovered their curls. My curly team and I are here to help you on your curly journey. Do not hesitate to get in touch should you need any help along the way. Lizzie. So the woman's name is Lizzie, and she's the founder-in-chief curly officer. Her type, she has wavy curls. I think this is her here. Yeah, I mean, on the actual website, if you're buying curl hair products like shampoos and conditioners and even mousses and things like that, they give you a quiz. So that tells you what hair type you are. So this is something I want to try, this volumizing curl mousse. Add volume to your curls, this one here. Really want to try that. I saw this satin line beanie and I thought that would be perfect for winter, but it's not on the website. All they've got on there at the moment are caps, headbands. I don't know whether they have the turbans. But if they bring this back for autumn, I'll definitely get one of these. I don't know if they've got different colours, but I like that colour anyway. It's like a peach. And then it says here, it's a perfect match. We think your curls will love these. There's a misting bottle here. That's a blue one. So I think they do blue, purple and pink of the misting bottles. Then they do satin turbans. They're expensive, guys. There's no getting around that. But if you're taking the time to put a lot of effort into your hair, then really you should take the time and invest in the right products, I think. And then it says, share the curly love, give £10, get £10 off. Get your friends started on their curly journey and you'll get £10 off your order, off your next order too. Well, I don't know anyone else with curly hair. not in this country anyway. Tells me what I've ordered. Andrea, your order overview. And I got this because it was a little bit cheaper. I'd wanted it for a while. I'd been saying I'm going to get it for a while, but it was like 50p cheaper, and it's like, may as well get it now. It says download our app for exclusive offers, so I might do that. No more tangles, tantrums with little curls. Shop our simple hair care routine created exclusively for curly kids. Then they've introduced this purple shampoo here. It says, wash your way to brighter days with our new purple cleanser and conditioner. Brightens tones and repairs blonde and silver curls. So I don't need that, obviously. Red. And then on the back it says, we hope you love your Only Curls products. If you need help with your order or any curl tips, please get in touch with our curly team. Chat via onlycurls.com. Email us at hello@onlycurls.com. Join our curl community. Get tried and tested curl tips, tutorials and so much more at Only Curls London. I might log on to that site. The girl needs all the tips she can get. I mean, it's not looking too bad, but we did that whole curl refresh, didn't we, yesterday? So, can you guess what I ordered? Right, so for this first order with Only Curls, I ordered one of the misters. So this is supposed to hydrate your curls. So it's got a whole step-by-step guide for hydrated curls. 1, unscrew the head of your misting bottle. Then fill the bottle with water. Pop the head back on and screw closed. Press the trigger to release the water as a fine mist. Remember to regularly refresh your bottle with clean water. And then on the back it says, keep your curls hydrated and full of moisture with the Only Curls Ultrafine Misting Spray Bottle. This refillable bottle generates a continuous ultrafine spray and enables super easy styling and hydrating without completely soaking your hair. What I think this is going to do you remember the facial steamer that I used yesterday? I think we're going to get the same reaction out of this, except I don't think it's going to come out as fine as it did in the facial mister. That's just my personal opinion. I don't know for 110% because obviously I've not used this yet. It's still in the packaging. I do have a spray bottle already, so we're going to compare both of them. That one just comes out and it just sprays and your hair ends up soaked. As far as I can gather with this one, it just sprays a little bit out at a time. Got some kind of spot there. Anyway, let's have a look at it together. Right. So that's what it looks like. I really think it's nice. I'm really loving lilac at the moment. I had a choice between this one and another 2 colours, didn't I? Yeah, and you just take that out and put the water in that. Doesn't hold a lot of water from what I can see. Someone was saying to me, not necessarily the Only Curls ones, but these ones are quite temperamental and they don't last that long. As long as I can get a year out of it, that's all I'm concerned about. So I don't need to do it now. Next time, well, the first time, I'll do a first impressions on this. Next time I want to refresh the curls. I should be washing it on Saturday, so maybe on Friday we can use this bottle and I can give you my overall thoughts on it, my first impressions. Is it worth the money? So I bought it from the TikTok shop. It was only £9.50. Originally it's £10. And yes, I only saved 50p, which isn't that much. But I got it as well because it was free shipping. I don't know if it's free shipping on the Only Curls website. I imagine it would be. So I'm going to buy more products from the Only Curls website or from TikTok shop. I'm going to see what's cheaper. So I'll go on TikTok shop in a minute and I'll go on Only Curls and I'll show you the set. It's like a beginner set. I'll show you the set that I want to get. I've already done a curl quiz, so I already know what type of curls I've got. Again, I thank you all for subscribing and of course watching these videos. It means an absolute world to me. If you are already subscribed and you like curly girl content or just hair content in general, please hit subscribe. It would mean a lot. I am trying to get to that 50 subscribers. It seems like real hard work, guys. It's just 50 subscribers or more allows you to do lives. So I am trying to get there, and if I've not got there by next week, then I'll just do the video anyway, and we'll work on getting to that 50 subscribers another way. But yeah, I'm really happy with the content I've made so far, and I hope you are too. Thank you again so much for watching. It means a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.